Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for all you DIY enthusiasts and small business owners out there. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the DXZ A4 DTF printer with roll feeder XP600, an incredible piece of technology that's about to take your printing experience to the next level. From the moment I unboxed this printer, I knew I was in for a treat, and after thoroughly testing it, I'm eager to dive into all its amazing features and benefits. First off, let's talk about the incredible value you're getting with the DXZ A4 DTF printer. With your purchase, you'll receive a 2-year supply of ink, which is just phenomenal. We're talking about 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 g of powder, and the best part is, you'll get a new set every 2 months, with just the shipping cost to cover. This is a huge deal for anyone who prints regularly, as it saves you a significant amount of money in the long run and ensures you always have the ink you need to keep your projects going. Whether you're running a small business or just love DIY projects, this 2-year ink supply is a massive perk that will keep you printing without any interruptions or additional expenses. Another feature that really stood out to me is the optimized productivity of the DXZ A4 DTF printer. This printer boasts a built-in cutter, which not only saves film but also ensures effortless operation, making your printing process so much more efficient. The upgraded roller feeder is also a genius addition, as it reduces film feeding issues and minimizes jamming, giving you a smoother and more reliable printing experience. This means you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing prints without any hassle or downtime. Whether you're printing on demand or working on large-scale projects, this printer's got you covered, streamlining your workflow and helping you meet deadlines with ease. Now, let's talk about the printing speed and quality, which are truly remarkable. The DXZ A4 DTF printer comes with an XP600 6-color printhead, offering twice the printing speed of L1800 and L805 printheads. This means you can print more in less time, which is a huge advantage for anyone looking to increase their productivity. But what's even more impressive is the super high resolution of 28001400 dpi, producing vibrant colors, crisp details, and excellent saturation. This printer is perfect for printing on t-shirts, crafts, bags, hats, jackets, polyester, leather, and other fabrics, with a 100% transfer rate that ensures your prints look amazing every time. Plus, with the white ink mixing system and semi-automatic cleaning system, you can say goodbye to clogs and ensure smooth white ink flow for vibrant prints on both light and dark fabrics. The DXZ A4 DTF printer also offers the convenience of a 4-roll or sheet printing, making it incredibly versatile and easy to use. Whether you're working with large rolls of film or individual sheets, this printer can handle it with ease, supporting rolls or sheets up to 8.27-inch wide. This feature is especially useful for beginners who are just starting out with DTF printing, as it allows them to experiment with different materials and techniques without breaking the bank. At the same time, professionals will appreciate the efficiency and flexibility this printer offers, making it suitable for both large-scale and on-demand printing. In conclusion, the DXZ A4 DTF printer with roll feeder XP600 is an absolute powerhouse that's about to revolutionize the way you print. With its incredible 2-year ink supply, optimized productivity, remarkable printing speed and quality, and versatile A4-roll or sheet printing capabilities, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing printer and start creating stunning prints like a pro. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a game changer, and I'm confident it will exceed your expectations in every way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and tutorials.